Hi, I'm Eser Kandogan from the Human-Computer Interaction Laboratory at the University of Maryland, College Park. I would like to describe our research on multiple window coordination. Often, computer users need to access many related text or graphics while minimally disrupting their concentration on the task. With large displays and high resolution, a large number of documents can be displayed on the screen simultaneously. But with current approaches, visibility and arrangement of multiple windows is a problem. Almost all current systems follow the independent overlapping windows approach, where windows are allowed to overlap each other. Operations on windows are performed one at a time, and size and location of each window is independent. We developed a new windowing approach called elastic windows. It is based on three principles: hierarchical window organization, which support users structuring their work environment according to task; multiple window operations, to decrease the number of window operations, to lessen the load on the cognitive abilities of users; and space-filling tight layout, to use the screen space more productively. To test our ideas, we developed a mail tool application based on these principles. The screen is divided into two main windows. The window on the left displays the new incoming mail, and this window on the right contains the old correspondence, represented as icons with pictures of the sender grouped hierarchically in separate windows. My old messages are divided into three sub-windows: those from the University of Maryland people, those from friends, and those related to the association that I'm a member of. Each of these sub-windows are divided into different windows. The border coloring indicates the nesting. It gets gradually darker, deeper in the hierarchy. I see 8 new email messages, 5 of which are from my advisor, Ben Schneiderman. He was going to send me some internship information. Let me open a new window to be used as a container window by double-clicking on the left border of the old mail window. The container window is opened to the left of the old mail window, pushing it and all its sub-windows to the right in an elastic manner. Selecting a group of icons, dragging and dropping them in the container window will open all 5 mails in separate windows, but packed into the container window. I guess these are the internship information that I was looking for. Let's see what Chris North's mail is about. Dragging and dropping on the border of a window is another way to open a window. This time, the new window is opened above the old mail window, pushing it lower. I see that Chris also sent me an internship information. I would like to put this message among other windows containing internship information. To do this, I first select the relocate operation from the menu and double-click on the border of another window. I recall that Flip, a friend of mine from college, some time ago sent me internship information at the company he's working at. Let me find it. I go to the friend sub-window and resize it. There he is. Selecting, dragging, and dropping gives me a list of emails he sent. Then I select the appropriate one and open another window similarly to see its contents. Let me put this window among others as well. I don't need this window anymore, so I close it. Note that the empty space is filled by the old mail window. Now that I gathered all the information I wanted, I will look at each one of them in more detail and compare. To see more of this top window, I will make it large by pushing the lower border, which shrinks windows below proportionally. To read the contents of this middle window, I will resize it in both directions at the same time. In elastic windows, window operations can also be applied in a serial manner to a number of selected windows. For example, I select the close operation from the main menu. The cursor shape changes accordingly to indicate the operation, and then clicking anywhere on the windows closes that window. As the windows are closed, the emptied space is filled by the surrounding windows. Since I am done with my investigation, I minimize all these 7 windows with a single operation. The minimized window is pegged appropriately in the same location. This helps users to locate it easily. Double-clicking restores all the windows to their previous sizes. An interesting resize is the pump operation, which lets you focus on a window for some time. To start pumping, I press the left mouse button on the zoom gadget. It pumps the window gradually, pushing all the surrounding windows to the sides. To unpump it, I press the middle button instead. Elastic windows demonstrate how multiple window operations and improved spatial layout use the screen space efficiently while avoiding overlapped, cluttered desktops, and free users' cognitive resources by decreasing the number of window operations. Thank you.